Planting trees indoors offers many advantages, such as improving air quality by filtering pollutants and increasing oxygen levels. They add natural beauty to interior spaces and create a calming, stress-reducing atmosphere. Indoor trees can help regulate humidity, making the environment more comfortable. Additionally, they enhance home decor with their lush greenery and provide a connection to nature, even in urban settings. Let's explore the best indoor trees to grow in pot. Starting with fiddle leaf fig, Ficus lyrata. The fiddle leaf fig hails from the jungle, so a bright living room would be an ideal indoor location if you protect the tree from drafts and give it enough bright filtered light and humidity. While it can be somewhat sensitive to changes in environment, once acclimated, the fiddle leaf fig can grow tall and become a striking focal point in any room. Money tree, Pachira aquatica. It is a popular indoor plant believed to bring good luck. It thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers well-draining soil. Water when the top inch of soil is dry, ensuring not to overwater. The plant enjoys moderate humidity, so occasional misting can be beneficial. Money trees are relatively low maintenance and can grow into a small tree with a braided trunk, making them a charming addition to indoor spaces. Rubber tree, Ficus elastica. Rubber trees are hardy, attractive indoor plants known for their thick, glossy leaves. They thrive in bright, indirect light but can tolerate lower light conditions. Water when the top inch of soil is dry, being careful not to overwater, as they prefer slightly dry conditions. Rubber trees enjoy occasional misting, especially in drier climates. With minimal care, these plants can grow tall and become a striking focal point in any room. Lady palm, Rapis excelsa. It is a popular palm specimen to grow as an indoor tree thanks to its ability to tolerate low light conditions. It also has a slow growth rate, meaning it won't take up much space in a room. But its fan-shaped, glossy green fronds will still add a tropical feel to any space. Plan to water and feed it more frequently during the growing season and reduce water over the winter. Also, protect your palm from direct sun, as you risk burning the fronds. Lace leaf philodendron. The lace leaf philodendron, also known as Philodendron bipinnatifidum, is a striking indoor plant with large, deeply lobed leaves. It thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers moist, well-draining soil. This low-maintenance plant adds a tropical feel to interiors and can grow quite large if given enough space, making it a bold statement piece indoors. Bird of paradise, Strelitzia. This tropical houseplant is popular for its large leaves and exotic flowers that range in color from creamy white to bright orange. The bird of paradise, similar in appearance to a banana tree, can grow upwards of 6 feet tall indoors, so ensure you've got plenty of space for its leaves to sprawl out. The tropical plant thrives in bright, indirect light and should be watered once the soil has completely dried. Umbrella tree, Scaphilera. The umbrella tree is a popular indoor plant known for its glossy, hand-shaped leaves. It thrives in bright, indirect light but can adapt to lower light conditions. Water when the top inch of soil dries out, pruning helps maintain its shape, and the plant can grow tall with minimal care. It's a hardy, low-maintenance option for adding greenery indoors. Lemon tree, Citrus lemon. Indoor citrus trees thrive in bright, indirect sunlight, needing at least 8 hours of light daily. They prefer well-draining soil and consistent watering, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Ensure the environment is warm, as they prefer temperatures between 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. With proper care, they'll produce fragrant flowers and fruit indoors. Jade tree, Crassula ovata. The jade tree is probably the lowest maintenance indoor tree on this list, making it perfect for beginners and anyone who doesn't have a lot of time to care for houseplants. The succulent leaves and trunk of this plant give it a sculptural look. Jade trees are also ideal as bonsai specimens. Water the plant every few weeks and locate it near a window with bright light. Yucca. The yucca tree features a solid trunk with leathery strap-like leaves emerging from the top. Groups of 3 in a pot with staggered heights look very attractive. These trees prefer a well-drained sandy soil mix. The size of the container will affect the size of the plant. Give your yucca tree as much sun as possible, and don't be afraid to cut the plant in half if it outgrows its space. Banana tree, Musa. When shopping for an indoor banana tree, seek out dwarf cultivars to keep them to a manageable size. Warm temperatures, full sunlight, and regular fertilizing help these fast-growing trees reach their potential. Indoor banana trees need bright, indirect light, well-draining soil, and regular watering to keep the soil moist. They thrive in humid environments, so misting or using a humidifier is beneficial. Olive tree, Olea europea. Olive trees can be grown indoors with the right conditions. They need bright, direct sunlight for at least 6 hours daily. Water them when the top inch of soil is dry, and ensure good drainage to prevent root rot. Olive trees prefer a cooler environment, ideally between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. With proper care, indoor olive trees can remain healthy and attractive. Areca palm, Dipsis luteolens. Areca palms are commonly grown as houseplants as well as landscape plants in tropical climates. These palms have a clumping growth habit with many stems much like bamboo. In fact, another common name for the plant is the bamboo palm. They do well indoors when located by a bright window. Ming Aralia, Polycias fruticosa. The Ming Aralia is an elegant indoor tree known for its delicate, feathery foliage and compact growth. It's low maintenance and thrives in indirect light, making it ideal for home interiors. Regular watering, without oversoaking, keeps it healthy. With proper care, it grows slowly but reaches up to 6 feet in height indoors with proper care and attention. Fishtail palms, Caryota mythis. The fishtail palms are easier plants to care for, though the maintenance can be time-consuming. These palms are famous for their unique leaves, which are fan-shaped with rough edges. Do note, these plants cannot survive winter conditions and can only be grown outdoors in zones 8 to 11. Ponytail palm, Bocania recurvata. These are popular indoor trees thanks to their slow growth rate and long lifespan. It usually takes several years before a young ponytail palm reaches even a few feet tall, so these are perfect plants for desktops and other surfaces. Their narrow, ribbon-like, green leaves cascade down the stem. These plants like as much light as possible and don't require much care beyond watering every 1 to 2 weeks. Mars cane, Dracena masanjana. This lush houseplant is known for its stocky stems and long, light green leaves. While it prefers bright, indirect light, it can tolerate low light, making it a versatile choice for indoors. The low-maintenance houseplant will be content with watering once per week or when soil is a little damp or slightly dry. Fountain palm, Livistona chinensis. The fountain palm, also known as the Chinese fan palm, should be watered frequently and kept in bright but indirect light to thrive. It also grows large paper fan-like leaves, but be careful, the stems have spikes that can damage your skin. Dragon tree, Dracena marginata. It is a stunning houseplant with its sword-shaped green leaves with red edges. This plant is quite hardy and easy to care for. It is slow-growing and adapts well to life in a container. Keep your plant out of direct sunlight because it can burn the foliage. And be sure not to overwater it, which causes the leaf tips to turn brown. Weeping fig, Ficus benjamina. Weeping figs are popular indoor trees known for their graceful, arching branches and glossy green leaves. They thrive in bright, indirect light and prefer consistent watering. These plants are sensitive to environmental changes, so avoid moving them frequently or exposing them to drafts. With the right care, weeping figs can grow tall, adding a natural, elegant touch to indoor spaces. Kentia palm, Howea forsteriana. Kentia palms are incredibly popular houseplants due to their low-maintenance care requirements and stunning green leaves. Native to Australia, these indoor trees love balmy temperatures but are rather adaptable and can adjust to various conditions. Norfolk Island pine trees, Araucaria heterophylla. These are elegant indoor evergreens with soft feathery branches. They prefer bright and direct light and slightly moist well-draining soil. Avoid overwatering. These trees thrive in cooler indoor temperatures and appreciate moderate humidity levels. They grow slowly but can eventually reach impressive heights indoors, adding a natural, festive feel to any space. Majesty palm, Ravinia revularis. If you're looking for a larger indoor tree, the Majesty palm is a very attractive palm tree with large, arching green fronds on multiple stems. Indoors, it has a slow growth rate. They prefer warmth, high humidity, and lightly moist but not waterlogged soil. Triangle ficus, Ficus triangularis. The triangle ficus is a unique indoor tree with triangle-shaped, glossy leaves. It thrives in bright, indirect light and needs well-draining soil to avoid overwatering. With proper care, it remains compact, making it perfect for indoor spaces. Its distinctive foliage adds a modern, sculptural look to interiors, making it a popular choice for plant lovers. New Zealand laurel, Coronocarpus levigatus. This is a lush, glossy-leaved indoor tree that thrives in bright, indirect light. It prefers well-draining soil and moderate watering. This hardy tree can adapt well to indoor environments, offering a tropical, evergreen appeal. Its upright growth and dense foliage make it a stylish choice for adding greenery to home interiors. Bamboo tree, Bambusoides. The bamboo tree is a popular indoor plant known for its slender, elegant stems and minimalist look. Thriving in bright, indirect light, it prefers well-draining soil and regular watering. Bamboo is low maintenance and adaptable, making it a great choice for home interiors. Its vertical growth adds a serene, natural aesthetic to living spaces, enhancing air quality as well. Dumb cane, Dieffenbachia. Dumb cane is a popular indoor plant with large, attractive leaves often marked with vibrant green, white, or yellow patterns. It thrives in moderate to bright and direct light and prefers well-draining soil kept slightly moist. With its lush tropical appearance, dumb cane adds a bold decorative touch to interiors while being relatively low maintenance. Bay laurel tree, Laurus nobilis. The leaves of this sweet bay leaf tree are often used as seasoning in soups, stews and pasta sauces. They have leathery and stiff leaves and can grow 4 to 8 feet tall when exposed to the sun indoors. Train them to form into topiaries while they're young and keep them in areas with temperatures ranging from 45 degrees to 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Growing indoor trees in pots offers numerous benefits, from enhancing air quality to creating a calming, natural atmosphere in your living space. Potted indoor trees are versatile, allowing easy relocation and better control over growth conditions like soil, water, and light. They also provide a touch of nature to urban environments, making homes feel more vibrant and inviting.